Hello everybody. This is a video presentation regarding the study of De Morgan's theorems plus the verification of various logics which we used to learn in the mathematics 1, which is named as Boolean algebra. We are here provided with all the gates and all the components which are used to develop logic, whether it's a part of computer, whether it's a part of something else which is a part of electronics. So we are provided with various gates and we are supposed to use these gates so that we can prove various different theorems and various different predictions which had been made by the scientist as follows. One of the important is the De Morgan's theorem. As at my backside you can see the statement for De Morgan's theorem. We are first considering the De Morgan's theorem, which is A dot B dot C whole negate, or we should say whole bar not gate, is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So all the thing which we are going to demonstrate using the experimental kit provided by Lab Vision Technologies and supplied by Sundar Electrical Works, Ujjain. And I am Ankesh Rathi, going to demonstrate this kit. Being the marketing head of the Lab Vision Technologies, I have to do all this. Sorry, no other options. So, take a look on this complicated circuitry. LEDs glowing, lots of pitch cords and all the inputs over here. To give a better look, I will take it to near to you and we will consider first of all what this gate trainer contains. First of all, we will look at the inputs. We are provided with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inputs. Number 2, one of the important thing, this is power supply. Number 3, various ICs which are used to provide the demonstration for particular gate. Number 4, various AND, various OR, various OR, various NOT, various XOR gates. All those gates are going to be demonstrated using these kits. Basically, this kit is for De Morgan's theorem and various Boolean algebraic expressions. So, considering the De Morgan theorem, the second statement written behind my back, which is A dot B dot C bar is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. We are going to demonstrate this. First of all, we will make the logic for A dot B dot C. Basically, it's an AND gate. So, AND gate A dot B dot C, it's an AND gate. Considering this, we will connect a patch cord from first input to the input of AND gate, connecting second input to the input of AND gate, connecting third input to the input of AND gate. We will get A dot B dot C. Now, this output of the AND gate will be provided in the NOT gate. I am not able to see this in the screen, but I will show you. This output of AND gate is provided over the input of NOT gate, and after NOTing it, we will send this output of NOT gate into our output indicator, which will give you the desired logic. So we have dealt with second statement, first part. Now it's time to turn over here. A bar, B bar, C bar with OR gate. So we are using the same inputs. Either we can use these 3 inputs as well, but we are using the same inputs, sending this input towards the OR gate number 1, sending second input to the OR gate number 2, sending third input to the OR gate number 3. One of the important point to be remembered over here, proving the De Morgan's theorem, these are ORed. These are ORed with the negation sign. That is, we should use first the input into the NOT gate, the input in the NOT gate, so we'll get A bar, we get B bar, we get C bar. Then the output of those NOT gate, these three are going to be added up as the input for OR gate, these three. Now the output of this OR gate is being sent to what we call as output indicator, output level indicator, maybe depends on the person using the kit. So whenever we are getting, now consider the two parts, one is this output, other is this output. If we are sending all input as one, then this part will be going to be 1 dot this B dot C negated will give you 0. Now switching this switches to 1 1 1 1 1 1 will give output as 0, because 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 1 is 1, and whole negation will give you 0. So output of this side, that is the AND gate side, is equals to 0, which is fed up over here. Now considering the output of OR gate, which is the right hand side from your side and left hand side from my side, OR gate's output is going over this one. This is also comes as 0, but considering all inputs as 0, then the result is same on both the LEDs. That shows that either using AND gate and OR NOT gate, or you are using NOT gate and OR gate, the result is same. That means this De Morgan's theorem has been proved very easily and effectively. And if students are able to understand what this De Morgan theorem means, they are able to deal with each and every problem of Boolean algebra as well as digital logic, and which will be helpful for their future, and hope that they will get what is provided by our company. Hope for the best. Good luck.